Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to fix an issue with the Divi Tooltip module, where the tooltip hides unexpectedly when moving the mouse from the tooltip back to the parent element. We'll address this with a simple JavaScript adjustment and a tooltip close delay to create a smoother, more reliable user experience. Let's dive in. To resolve the issue of the tooltip unexpectedly closing, we'll use a simple JavaScript workaround. This approach allows Divi to manage tooltip closures as it normally would, but brings back the parent hover state if the mouse moves from the tooltip and re-enters the parent module. This simple solution ensures smoother and more consistent tooltip behavior. To apply the fix, start by navigating to Divi, then to Theme Options, and select the Integration tab. Here, you'll need to enable the option to add code to the body. Once that's done, paste the provided script into the Add Code to the Body box. You can find the full script in the accompanying post. After you've added the script, make sure to save your changes. To fine-tune the tooltip behavior, you'll need to set a short close delay. Start by opening the tooltip module settings. Navigate to the Design tab, then to Tooltip, and look for the Tooltip Close Delay option. Set the close delay to 100 milliseconds. This slight delay gives the hover fix enough time to re-trigger the parent hover state without the tooltip feeling sluggish to close. Now that you've implemented the fix, it's time to save and test the tooltip. Save the changes you've made and check the tooltip on the front end. Move your mouse from the parent element into the tooltip, then back from the tooltip onto the parent element. If everything's set up correctly, the tooltip should remain open and no longer close unexpectedly. Now that your tooltip hover behavior is working smoothly, you might want to enhance its visual appeal by adding an icon to the tooltip. If you're interested in trying this, check out the accompanying post, which includes a guide on how to add an icon to the Divi Tooltip module. In conclusion, this simple JavaScript fix ensures that the Divi Tooltip module works as expected, even when the tooltip overlaps its parent element. By combining this with a short close delay, we've eliminated the issue of the tooltip disappearing as users move back onto the triggering element. If you're working on anything else related to the Divi 5 Tooltip module and need assistance, feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments.